Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. Good morning, I'm on my way to work. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are viewing me from. If you're watching me, if you're seeing me, state it. Yes, okay, I can see you and I can hear you. Please always put your share button active. Share the program. Deliberate on this. Please, for those of you that are just joining the program, and or for those of you that have been following us on this COS matter, you guys have seen that Mary collected majority of the money. Those that he said that she's trying to help, she took advantage of them because of the nature of not having paper, the nature of in a vulnerable situation, people that are in need of help. I can remember since I've been in this country, if I have never helped people to connect to them, people that are looking for paper, I have helped more than 1,000 people. Let me not exaggerate. I have helped. Do you know when people call me, okay, can you connect me to somebody? Majority of them are the ones that follow me, don't even comment. Because when you're talking about people that need assistance in the name of getting papers in this country, they are the most people that, imagine people that, even I had the privilege. Because again, when how people in each country you are, if you don't have paper in any way you are, you're like a slave. You are like a slave. You are like a wanted soul. You're like somebody, even somebody will spit on your face, you will ignore the person and go because you don't want anybody to deport you. You don't want to be deported. You don't want anything that will stain your name. Mary saw that her fellow brothers and sisters are in a vulnerable situation. Mary took advantage of them and collected. Imagine Mary collected £9,000, but end up giving what? End up giving Madame Flo, her fellow criminal woman, end up giving her 4,000. Could you just imagine? It's like you have collected almost 90% of what you're giving out, and you guys don't want to base the fact that this woman is the architect of this criminality, and she wants to use Ogechi Agamabagi war after this program. Chichi Francis and this empire and all those rubbish, and you think you're gonna use it to intimidate someone like me? I laugh in a gibberish. I laugh in gibberish. Daddy Freeze, please. I will keep saying this. Even God work in a mysterious way. What the fuck? What are you guys doing? What the fuck is this person if you don't know how to drive? Shit, she's an old woman. In America, like this, don't collect license from all these old people. That's the problem. When you stop driving. You stop driving. That's the point. Please share this program. Daddy Freeze, let me also thank you for using. Can someone tag Daddy Freeze on this platform, on this video? Please do me a favor, tag Daddy Freeze for me. Every program I will do, I will tell you to tag Daddy Freeze, tag Very Dark Man, tag what they call it, tag Okwuluora. These are the 3 important people I would like you to tag every time I am running program. You understand what I mean? These people are very, very important in this movement. Don't tag Mary. Mary is just a local scammer. Feel me? She's just a local scammer who decided to take advantage of these people need help the most. Which is even is the what they call it, is the Senegal woman or the Senegal man or the Zimbabwe man. If time is not taken, he is the Zimbabwe man and they're trying to cover up. Don't be naive, reason deeper. If time is not taken, the so-called choco diabetes, choco bumado, choco poison 90, choco bone criminal, choco nyushi, choco nyama. They have Morosugaro Shizugoshi. Me being a gas school, he refused to nurture his brain and be reasonable to society. Elechihanya, Oyama would is Zimbabwe man. If time is not taken, if he can come out and lie to people that what they call it, that somebody along the process. You feel me? Mary should be the bone of contention in the whole thing here. Mary, you scammed people. And they want to use, hey, Daddy Freezer, delete my video, Who are you screaming for? Who are you trying to deceive? Who are you trying to intimidate? You collected 9,000 pounds. Did you tell those people that you're collecting percentage from them? Imagine someone that lives in Nigeria you collected 9,000 pounds from. Imagine how mean you are. Your meanness is written all over you. Your wickedness is written practically, capitally over your brain and your face. You scammed your people. And you want to corner the hotel, start calling Okwuluora. Okwuluora, you're the one that wanted to tell that to pay. Okwuluora, you're the one that tell that. Baby, you're the one that tell that to pay. Okay, let's assume ABJ encouraged you to pay. Let's assume, let's take it. Let's take that ABJ encouraged you to pay. Let's take it as that. Mary, but why did you collect almost 80% of what they are charging for the COS? Where did you keep people's money? Does it matter who told you to pay? Why are you even doing it illegally? Because you know you cannot go through the government and do the illegal business. That is the thing. Why did you collect that such a percent? Yarugo don't make crypto. The kind of benefits now these people had. Yarugo don't make crypto. Each is a tickle of an eye. You make millions of naira. Now people who need to help. And some people say you are a victim. You a victim. You are just an opportunist who saw the opportunity to devour, to scam the vulnerable people in Ndi Igbo. Imagine the level you went. The pure rip-off. And you are talking about that the freeze that collected the money. Very dark man, are you okay at all? You say you are fighting for justice. Are you not fighting for those who may collected those percentage from? That is why I always tell you to tag that very dark man. So you're not sympathizing with the poor masses. Mary collected 9,000 pounds and gave Madam Flo 4,000. Where is the remaining $3,000? Have you done such business before? Have you done such business before? You see someone who ran to you and starts crying, start using those rubbish voice of a confused and a criminal mind person for you to show her mercy. Knowing fully well she's the main criminal. Now we can't keep quiet though. Mary is a lie. Okay, she is somebody you dare not threaten. If you threaten me, Oh, lo. You made the biggest mistake and made life to tell me, okay, you try. Mary Leno Mono. Can you get come on? No one kind put an email. Away go, a camu, a woman, a camu mamma, a womb, a camu momo, a woo, how we are living. The camine living obodo Igbo, a camu jidego. Eh? Kenyi gaji karamono we get come on. Katim geji balaga meshiono. Mary. From the time memory, I told you guys, how can we solve this? The devil, the who want to kweme Okwuluora, who poisoned Okwuluora? Only way la poison to madonari. Choka abamu, choko nyushi, choko criminal, the born criminal himself. It's in your bullyegi. It's in your bullyegi. And he think he can suppress everybody. Do you know she onyo shunyaboro? Get a war on yaboro. Is it not criminality? Is it not Oshinama? I will do this. Need to Kramenka. Then you're not come madon. The goody called them. Are you not seeing him? Unabako. Because of friendship gone wrong. Okwuluora said, I don't want to associate with a tout. I need my level. I need my fellow intellectual people to reason with. I cannot dine with a local tout or local aburu. Jealousy, envy. I heard that time you was pushing Okwuluora. Share on my page. But mother go follow me. Okwuluora dish to you. Since then, you have been on this guy. Just the friendship went wrong. All of you that are fighting Okwuluora are just jealous of that young man. Nothing less. You are not the person that people are giving accolade. You are not the person that people are praising. You are not the Okwuluora Ndigbo. Amusu. You are doing this out of your selfish personal vendetta with Okwuluora. When I told you how can we solve this problem, why would I ask you that question? That I should be asking Okwuluora how to solve the problem. The same person issue that I have Igbo's people interest at heart. You connected with this monster, with this Musua, just to bring Okwuluora down, and you think you will get cut-free? Hell no. You can shut every other person down, or somebody like me. I was trying to use a soft paddle to deal with you. You want to go? You cannot tell me otherwise. The question should be, why would you top your own money to vulnerable people that need paper? Imagine how many people connect in the game help one over there. Imagine how many people who get connect. When you put on a Facebook, you have collected funding. Imagine how many souls, because I want to make a lot of Fakata friends. I want to make a lot of Fakata friends. Unless my match him again, I will just go polite. Even when the 3 persons sitting on my list, oh gee, I want to go to Africa. I want to go to Africa. Eh? Have I? When you get your collect a go match I up to help some. He might take advantage of people not in that situation. Suffer no, but I just robia. Need a place to place hands and start walking. Kiri godi, bunch of their misery. Somebody will sit up and tell me otherwise. Okwuluora did not actually. And when any place, any money generated directly to Okwuluora. A planned scam. Using English that would deceive the gullible ones, not people the very smart. Our planned it. He did not bring out his account. That is why all of you should go to jail. Because you are imagining something that never happened. Agbala Okwuluora what to do. All of una names. All of una names. Summon you. I'm going to get an akogologa. I can't remember an apostle Suleiman. I can't yes, I just guess. Summon the person to the court of law. Okwuluora have an opportunity to make a carry all. It doesn't matter how long it takes. The court must invitate. Kamshiri doro wabuja doro nyobodo. Na agama domeni. About to doro la many. They will come and prove many things they accuse you of. That is end of conversation. What are you waiting for? Broad day robbery. Imagine the COS matter is only 4,000. Maybe you had the mind. You collected 4,000, extra 3,000 pounds. Extra 3,000 pounds, Mary. Extra 4. Sorry, extra 5,000. I'm not. Am I correct? Extra 5,000. You collected more than the COS itself. Can you about 3,000? You collected extra 5,000 pounds. 5,000. Mary, see how greedy you are. Mary, see how greedy, how malicious, how unusual. You collected more than the money they are using for the COS. Hey, I think the Ndebani is ignoring it because he'll put on a timbu. The same thing you did to others. You collected the money, collected the high percentage, and you are coming out to cry and some idiot to do shit and I support okay. You are full of criminals. I know why Choco is about it because you have given him percentage of the money. You have given him because that Oshi cannot do anything for free. That Oshi cannot do any part of the money, so they will come out and overshadow Okwuluora. Very dark man, please. Can you be honest and judge this case? Let's assume you, because I know you will not do anything. Your lawsuit is coming for you. But I want you to use the little brain that left in that your score. You want to go? Now, the thing is, you're very dark man. Listen to me. Someone is selling something, 5,000 naira. Let me use it as an instance. You went to the person and said, okay, this is my connection. I will not, even when the person was asking after his money, Mary said, that's my connection. I will not release it to anybody. You see why I said it? Very dark man, your brain no complete. If it's someone that does his research very, very well, you will first of all investigate, ask some questions. What happened? How were you able to get involved in this? Now you want to come and tarnish Daddy Free's image. It's a lie. Daddy Freeze is a big name. You cannot tarnish his image. We are here. Daddy Freeze did the best thing that any intelligent man would do. Daddy Freeze asks you a simple question. Did they pay direct money into Okwuluora's account? You couldn't answer that. If you don't even know the meaning of COS. The money you scammed people, the money you collected from people, you don't even know the meaning when they ask. I'm coming to replay that. Where is that your video self? I'm coming to play it and use it and run a program to see how daft you are. That is why you were not able to cover your tricks, because you were tied to scamming people that are better than you. You were not able to cover all your tricks. You think he's screaming, shouting, crying. Oh, I got you. Oh, coming out, recruiting touts, because a human will think reasonable will not sit down and ask ego neki connected from all these vulnerable people. How much did you collect? Like me, I'm very smart. When you guys want to lure me in this rubbish, I ask question. How can we resolve this problem? you guys refused to bring the solution. You guys wanted to damage Okwuluora reputation. Then I withdrew. That time you guys used in the name of victim. People fall for it. People fall for it. Even including me. I fell for it. Victim. How are we gonna say victims? What did they are victims? But people did not know the deeper case that you collected more than the COS. You collected more than the COS. Just that you are working with someone who hated Okwuluora with a passion. I said it earlier that this case can never be fair as far as you're working with a demon, ekwensu, amusu, like a or choco apa manyere, choco apa babysitter, a lost identity of an Igbo man. A man who cannot even differentiate on your general school, no one useless like him, no one more intelligent. They are the so messed up. A man just one of my cars, he got rent motor to show. Rent up on motor, we should not rent motor for where. To dog and a Jupon gone. On a rent to see again, very local thing. A man name with identity. When you get one higher, you'll be recognized as something you have contributed in that country. He's living. Oh man, I've been in London. What is your fingerprint? Okay, what can you tell us that you have achieved, that you have contributed in that country? So in case your name will be written somewhere, Magen war tomorrow. Nothing. You're just an empty idiot. Ranting. Showcasing your manless armor. Showcasing it. Disgracing your person. Now, you know. Daddy G.O. Mama G.O. Useless thing. A common babysitter. A common babysitter. You connected with Amusi Peggy just to bring Okwuluora. What Okwuluora have done? Can you come out and tell people how many people got through it about it? You don't have the grace. You don't have the capacity. You don't have the charisma. You don't have the spirit. You don't have the guts. Nobody will pay you attention to even give you a shaking because somebody will punk. Even to today, Okwuluora is still raising millions. Doing what your generation, what you can't, and what you will never do until the day you join your asset. Even you can't raise common 500,000 online. If you doubt me, come out and use this your try. Try it for a day. Try it. You can't. Because you don't have the capacity. You are not merited for it. You are not. That is why you went and opened an NGO. Trying for Okwuluora to associate with Okwuluora. So Okwuluora will come and share for you. So Okwuluora will use the people. Even what you talk out of jealousy. People will know that everything that you say it out of jealousy, envy. Out of jealous. Are you no longer discussing it? How you gonna go say Ogechi laughs? Are you no longer discussing it with that your useless God wife? Are you no longer discussing it with ya? Yeah? Look at how useless you become. A messed up individual. Let Okwuluora she on social media. Messiage up. Where do we go from here? Every day, Jukwe Jaba. Pegging on their luxurious cars. Luxurious achievements. Every day, Jukwe Jaba. Emekonya Kurabu Nishi. Amakwalihe. Susuruga. All the streets of London. Aparekoroga. Be a fool. Continue to be a fool. Every day, Okwuluora menagi. It must be your last name. It must be big a bit. It must be big a push. Okwuluora has messed your manhood up. Anakoyeri. Nonsense people everywhere. Nonsense people everywhere. Every day, Okwuluora menagi. Every day, Okwuluora emehogi. Every day, Okwuluora. Every day, Okwuluora. Manaju, inwe kwadiri prestige as a man. What can you offer to the society than Okwuluora? Nothing. Then if it don't I should not make what do you call it? I should not make content. content, dry content. And when he passed, I was content with it. You, and when we actually go Facebook, money you couldn't make with career with education. In a basic content. Let me see how far you will go. Up will go on spiritual, physical. And when anything you contribute to the society that will enable people to listen to you. So let me go back to this Mary, the scam father and the mother for all of them. Mary, listen to me. And the very dark man, listen to me. Ask Mary just a simple question. This cry that she's crying, is she crying the money she collected? Extra money she collected, or she crying because of the men COS? These are the two questions you should be asking her. Why is she crying, leaving that voice note? Is she fighting for the money, the 5,000 she collected though? And I was giving you an example before I dab into talk about more topic. My question is, please, Mario, please, very dark man, you went to the market to buy something, and the price, the person that put the price is not there. Somebody that the person told, just look after my stuff in case somebody, you know, is here to buy my stuff, came and added extra 5,000. The price is 4,000. The person that just overwatching the market tag added extra 5,000, and you discovered it. What are you going to call it? You discovered that this person collected extra 5,000 instead of the person to collect 4,000. What are you going to do? Are you going to call it a criminal act? Are you going to call it that the person just oversmarted you? I'm just being honest. Something that you're supposed to sell for 4,000. Let's assume that, okay, the thing is for free. Flo added her own. Mary, the same Mary that crying that she's the victim, added extra as 1,000. Hi, God of for your people, you know, God of Ebukobi, where are you? These people have finished the COS people. We will keep lamenting on this. Maybe I want you to come and saga me. If you not saga me, I'm not going to give you. Because as of this money, waiting to get it, you are going to jail. Start the saga now. We are trying to tell you, you didn't do things right. And the game, Bekaria money here, Bekaria monapa. You see how dubious you are? You see how malicious you are? You see how evil you could be? Apart from that, you took these people to deity. Remember, they told Okwuluora Ndigbo. Remember, they told Flo Ndigbo. And when the kind of weak, do you know the kind of life you live? You live a life of a human trafficker, like agwu. That is how they live life. They don't have conscience. That is a life for people people that can do anything to get money. That is the life you live. That is the kind you are going extremely miles to make sure that you cover your debts. And millions are being manipulated by your lies. That, no, few, not even all. A dumb people, some few dumbs. They're supposed to ask you the main questions and not asking you questions. And you think you will come and give a very dark man because you have a problem with it that the freeze. And you come and dent that the freeze reputation. It's a lie, yo. It's a lie, yo. We will keep screaming on it. That the freeze, please keep screaming on this. Let the right authorities, they will ask Mary, how much is the COS? How much do you tell people that the COS is? And how much did you collect? Because intelligent lawyers need to go and ask you some questions. How much is Okwuluora a citizen of England? Does Okwuluora live in England? So how did Okwuluora know? Why didn't you confirm? Is ABJ Okwuluora? Is ABJ Okwuluora Why is it that you confirm from ABJ, you did not confirm from Okwuluora? It's not about social media validation, crying. Some intelligent question I got here. Yes or no? But when they sat you or when you sit down in that bench, you will know that some questions are yes or no. You will not even have opportunity to answer whether no this is they will ask you, is ABJ Okwuluora? Is it not the same way you knew Okwuluora? Is the same way ABJ knew Okwuluora? Are there siblings? Is it not the same way you came into that platform? Is the same way ABJ came into that platform? That ABJ is interacting with Okwuluora. Does it mean that Okwuluora knows ABJ personally and do not? As soon as you are in that group, the same way ABJ met Okwuluora is the same way Okwuluora met you. You will be in a situation where you'll be answering questions yes, no, yes, no. Then if you say no, the one they did not believe, they will ask you, then you will act. How did you know Okwuluora? How did ABJ know Okwuluora? I don't know. Then we ask ABJ. The same social media, the same doing charity work. So you think it's all this thing you're screaming here? How much is the COS? You say it. How much did you collect? You will say. How much did you tell those people that did COS? I told them 9,000. But how much was the COS? 4,000. What did you do with the remaining 5,000? Some people are just born criminal. And they think they can ride everybody and get away with their stupidity. And you think you can overshadow everybody. And people will not sit down something. Please, Daddy Freeze, don't keep quiet. Look at your name, oh. Your name is at stake, oh. Daddy Freeze, your name is at stake, oh. Do whatever it takes to protect the name you have built for 20 years or over 20-something years on social media. Oh. Contact the UK authority. Oh. All of us will put in our petition. The court date, I'll be there. I will mount to life in UK. Please, we need this. We need to put an end to this. People that will go to jail will go to jail. People that will not go, they will not go. Period. Enough of destroying a young man that did not collect time from this. If what they call it, if Okwuluora made a mistake, they will say yes. This is where your mistake comes in, and this is the level of your punishment. Simple. But who initiated, who collected the bunk, who collected the money, who stole from the vulnerable? Mary, is you and Madam Flo. Let's face the facts. Let's don't use sentiment on this with that your crocodile tears. Let's don't use a chokabamu. Don't like Okwuluora for anything. All of you that gathered, Okwuluora removed you from the I was the one. Okwuluora gave you this amount. Okwuluora was the one giving you money. Remember, I used to give you money. Okwuluora, I told you, this is your VIP people. I told you, you are too pompous. You are too arrogant. You don't pick my calls. You will call you. And Mary finally said that, Okwuluora, you are not picking your calls because you know that if you pick up your call, you will know that you are the one. No. They are just looking for everything to dent this guy black. Mary, how much did you collect? How much did you collect on one person head? Collect on one person head. How much did you collect? How much you how much kitty in our bag? Egone kiri. Iri kole. We want to know how much you have consumed. How much did they pay into your pockets? Because if you know that guy that came to what they call it, Ezugo platform that time, let him reach out to me. Let us be running this program. Mary, come and saga me. He go saga me. Because he cannot issue such threats. You will not come. You will not fulfill it. He got saga me. Because saga me. You must. No. But I will keep asking you just a simple question. How much did you collect from these people? How much did you benefit? What is your benefit? What is your what they call, which English I'm not gonna use it? What is your embezzle? How much is your embezzlement? How much did you embezzle? How much did you embezzle in this scheme? How much did you collect? You collected over 10 million on one person head. One person. You said you paid them. So if you pay them their money, we want to hear from them. Let them come out. Why are they still crying if you pay their money? How much are they? I'm asking you. We want to know how much you collected. These people that run to you for help, COS, no matter how desperate and they will have one are they. In an ego, AC man, Che. Ooh. One knock on nobody in the GLC, baby. GLC, baby. Boy, and how about it? Talk about me, GLC, baby. See, baby. It's GLC, baby. I would have Choco, when are you gonna rent another car, baby? Try to rent another car, baby. It's GLC, baby. Sorry, GLE, not GLC. Come without GLE. It's 2024, baby. I come nine o'clock to go to the tunnel, baby. I come 9 at the tunnel. Nah, it's like a papa jar more. What's game? What we are there, Baka? Nothing so got no one. Bunch of $1. Come to give me ego neki collector. Ego neki in a chocolate palm. You know, every day. Because I'm not that hungry man. Cannot afford shaking. Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? Where do we? Thank you for the kind of man you know. For the kind of dignity you know. Now you want to hear what question he name. Where do we go from here? And where do we go from here? I'm telling you this. You bachelor konye kono ye kambla ke konye kono la I need kwechiri la na this COS. I want to say na COS we no go rest. Anye kwechiri le. Ya ruzi anyị jere ihe ga akwa na this blue app until onye ola peme. We don't kwechiri. I guess the ball I'm gonna go pack it here. The best is to go pack it. Chineke gwara nchọrọ igbu m egbu ya, o zuola m. Hey, shit. Oh, shit. Ooh, heck. I'm a 65-degree Fahrenheit. Show me parking motor here. This is out. Automatic, it's too expensive to hide this sand. I'm not cooking a motor. The way we parking no here. Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go from here? Where do we go? Ana koyeri. Ana koyeri. Read an rubbish and useless question. Where do we go from here? Where do we go? Ana koyeri. Guys, I better more on time. Thank God. Come not be late. Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? Read an Mary, you go looking at people. How much did you collected? How much did you collect from our people? You collected a huge amount of money, and you're here crying more than the bereaved. Eh? I'm not going. Because you trying to request camera put to no because so far every opportunity in every single opportunity in that way got this open. You can request to join me live. Every little opportunity in we get this open. You know, we can't keep quiet. So you are free to join me to request to join live. Yeah, bro. Thing is, not sure me about one gonna catch my not sure maybe get to my now I'm off. Okay, this is the what I got. It's too much everywhere. And I go for a you know, you can't just come out, scam more people, broad day robbery. You know, and I jigana. You know, I hear a fish cool. Come on up, come back here. Ishi when I want to hear Iri Ji because I took am do rock. I need do rock. Because the young na for do rock. Oh, I'm packing my motor. I'm about off catch, but it's okay. Better than ahụ. Ọgbọrọ kanji. What I do? The level of cold, you know, here. Now the thing is too much. Oh, what I go beacon. Okay, cheap pilot on a life. Okay, can you join me? Bye bye. Okay, bye. Okay, go and rest. I'm already okay. Let's join cheap pilot. See you later. Bye.